Stockpile Hobbies.
Welcome everyone to Playtime with Enzo. Today we are going to be doing Monster Jam, Enzo.
Yeah.
Before we can do that, we got to make a track. So you have your construction vehicles here. Let's get started. Let's make out some cool layouts. We have lots of different cars we can use for crushing and ramps to make, okay?
Nice.
So here's our battlefield, Enzo. We have a car crash area over here. We have the loop spin around over here. We have the car crush obstacle over here. Yeah. And over here we have our flip crush jump. You can do whatever trick you want. All right, you know what time it is now?
What?
We gotta pick the monster trucks.
Yay.
First we have Stars and Stripes going against Metal Militia. We then have Grave Digger versus Hot Wheels, that is correct. And then Mega Rex versus another Hot Wheels, the special delivery.
Hot Wheels delivery, Captain American Bone Shaker.
Excellent.
I can do that.
Oh, I couldn't do it. I'll try it again. Oh, he does it good. This one's hard because it's so high. There it goes. Getting more trucks, Enzo?
Again. Yeah.
Talk about a stockpile.
Yeah.
I want the dump truck.
Yeah, you like feel it.
El Toro Loco.
Oh, that'll be cool for like landing.
in a truck. I'll get you. Ah. Put him in. You should use the dinosaur truck. All right, Enzo, time to make the pyramid. Let's stack the trucks. Over this one. Slow. Slow. Whoa, that's a monster pyramid.
Yeah.
How about you top it off with a dinosaur? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Gravedigger will now smash the monster pyramid. Whoa!
Happy days, happy days, happy days. Wow! I'm flying out! My horn! Get back here! Oh!
Get him out! Use the digger!
Help me!
Well, Enzo, that was fun. I had a great time. Look at the big pile. That's a big pile up. Almost a stockpile, huh?
Yeah.
Well, thanks for watching, everyone.